The prettiest face in the crowd to be our Shakey's face of the game. She's Iyumi Yonko, 19 years old from Bacoor, Cavite. Iyumi Yonko, congratulations for being our Shakey's face of the game. 19 years old from Bacoor, Cavite, and one of your neighbors. Ako, yung kababayan ko na taga Bolivia.
Bumalik na.
Na-deport.
Akala ko ikaw yung madedeport.
Inaabangan ko na nga. But so far, I'm here to stay, folks. So, wala pa akong
Hindi sila naniniwalang doon ka galing.
Diyos ko naman kung may maniwala naman. But yung tagapili natin, tagahatak ng ating Shakey's face of the game, si Mr. Chiquit Hopilio. Lagi yan nakaabang.
Of course.
Sa ating mga pretty girls dito sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium for Shakey's face of the game.
And speaking of pretty girls, let's greet Rina Villamor.
Yes. Tama.
An advance happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rina. September 19. Happy birthday, Rina Villamor.
Actually, that birthday greeting goes out because gusto naming imbitahan mo kami.
Wala pang tawag si Rina. Basta tumawag yan. Siyempre, pupunta tayo.
Happy birthday, Rina.
17 to 16, Sandugo, San Sebastian. Well, let's greet also Barry Pasco, belated happy birthday.
Of course. Again, it's a month-long celebration.
Yung tawag na inaabangan natin, tumawag na actually eh. Hindi ko lang nasagot eh. Happy birthday also, Mr. Barry Pasco.
And also hello to our Shakey's League avid fan, Lalaine Doneza.
Hi, Lalaine.
Always watching the Shakey's League.
17-16. It's a much closer second set we're having, and Williams. 17 all. Point Pimol getting ready for her serve. Floater is good. Rhea again. This time kept alive, but Andaya sends it wide. At ayun na. Dalawa na ang lamang ng Sandugo. 19 to 17. Studionela.
You know what really helps CBRS? Maganda yung service reception nila. So the execution of plays comes very easy for Andaya. Ibang storya pa yung marami siyang options na attackers, ano?
Tubino to Boali. Ganda ng set. But it was a bit too close for Joy. Joust won by Roses. Good block by Benito. Oh! Si Andaya!
Si Andaya, nakakarami na to.
Ba, kung sa paluan lang, para na rin spiker ang numbers na pinoproduce niya of that spike, no?
Correct. And that's the kind of adjustment you also want to see from your setter.
Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. We're tied at 19, folks. Gusilo. Benito, that is wrong. No touch from the block. Benito's trying to sell the call. And first referee, Philip Cizon, says there's no touch. CBRS again up by 2.
Kuya, papaluin mo. Hindi na nakakapasok sa kuya. Pumidepensa kayo dito. Sinabi ko na sa inyo, kuya, abangan nyo yung palo dito. Nakadiretso yung block nyo. Kasi hindi nyo na-block yan. Lalakas ang loob niya. Papalo ng papalo papunta rito yan. Kung mag-diretsuhin na gano'n, lalo na may katabi ka. Pag tayo, mag-usap na kayo. Blockin mo yan akin dito, ha.
Again, the Shakey's Open Volleyball Invasion For every 500 peso food purchase at any of the 21 branches of Shakey's in Metro Manila and Makati, you will get a free ticket into the finals of the Shakey's Open Conference here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Serving 19. Tubino with a short serve. Oh! Service ace! Off a timeout of Coach Roger Gorayev. Ba, masakit yun for Coach Roger.
Because not exactly what you expect coming from a timeout. Let's see now. Tubino has been very steady at the service line.
Suzanne, single block by Chua Lim.
This time Bautista gets a point. You know, Roses has been quiet here in this match so far. We haven't really seen much from her.
Nene Bautista overpowering the block and Nen Taiwan.
For some reason, if Nen gets a point and makikita mo may konting swag after, hindi mo kang mayabang tignan.
That's right.
Parang ano
Okay
lang
lang.
talaga, okay lang. And she just looks like she's really enjoying the point and celebrating that point.
Tied at 21, Suzanne with a good serve. They go Chua Lim through the blockers, Taiwan and Bautista. Look at this.
Chua Lim.
Lumusot kay Nin.
Oo.
And that's not an easy thing to do.
Definitely not, of course. Nen Taiwan is our best blocker for this conference.
Joy Cases hanging up there with Bautista. Down the line for Benting. 22 all. What a championship match we're seeing right now, and match na match ng dalawang teams na to.
And of course, this is a much better set. But ang bagal nung balik ng bola, but Benting and Di Makulangan.
I thought, well, Benting thought that Di Makulangan would get it.
Di Makulangan thought the same
Vice
thing.
versa, si Rhea ganun din ang inakala kay Angela. So, eto, puntos for Cagayan. Service good. Volley with a drop. Good save by Andaya. They go Porn Pimol. Bautista is right there. Volley waiting for it. Off the block. She loves doing that.
She's been very effective at that.
23 all here in the second set.
Ganito ka-exciting at ka-dikit ang laban.
Short serve. Oh, what's the call?
Daya lifting violation.
Set point for Sandugo San Sebastian. Coach Mike with this timeout.
Kumbang mo, bigay yung bola. Maliit ang spike, ang dagger dito.
Alright, hang on folks. Make sure maayos yung pagkakaupo nyo. Baka malaglag kayo. Alanganin na upo nyo sa inyong mga upuan. Here we go. Then a serve. This is good. Porn Pimol tried to overpower the block. Tip in. Benting with a save. Nim. Oh, Jonela keeps it alive. The crowd going wild here at the Ninoy Aquino. Free ball for Sandugo. Oh, nakaubang si Jonela.
It's a series of drop balls.
Joy Casas off the block. Bautista saves it.
Tujeng once again.
Outside.
Wow! The second set. Ito yung championship. You see that both teams really don't want to give up even just in this set.
Grabe. The crowd here in the Dinain Stadium. Halos hindi magkarinigan ho kami dito ni Ann. Ito na, the best, the MVP of the conference, Sandra with a serve. Ganda nung reception ni Gustino.
Oh, but Jen gets that point.
Wow!
This is how exciting the Shakey's V-League Finals is. Bukod dyan, nabubugbog po ako dito sa tabi.
Sorry po, Ann.
Pagka-exciting na game na ganito,
Nagkakatulakan dito
nagkakatulakan dito sa panel.
Good serve. Let's see. They go to Pompimol, a bit short on the set. Suzanne Roses for Bully.
Nobody's giving up. Guys, we're only here on the second set. Second set pa lang to.
Ang tibay ng block ng Tubino, Ann.
Look at this. Well-timed.
Alright.
Hindi talon ng talon yan.
Tama lang. Ito, mabigat. Pompimol, Chuwolim, and Tubino, the front row players. For Cagayan Valley, Joy Cases, the best server.
No giving up.
Wow! Jeng Buli staring down Cagayan Valley. Set point again for Sandugo, San Sebastian. Jeng with a floater to Pompimol. Chuwolim waiting at the wings. Off the block. Good reach out by Oy, Tiket!
Bola sa line. Chuwolim forcing that error, I suppose, dahil it wasn't dug up properly.
And we see the familiar two-man substitution for Coach Mike Rafael. Cabriana, let's see if it is ice flowing through those veins of Cabriana. These are pressure-packed serves, especially if you're coming off the bench.
Malamig. Malamig pa yan. But let's see. Sure serve here for Cabriana.
Good serve for Cabriana.
Oh!
Tinapon!
No touch there. Benting.
Timeout ang tinawag ni Coach Roger. Let's listen in.
Malayo ka na, hindi ka na makakalba mo. Wala ka na yung dami. Sayang, yung daming chance mo na tumating sa atin. Sayang lang lahat. Pare, basta resipa niya. Dalawa naman. Wala, resipa niya.
Ayan, Coach Roger trying to calm things down for now. No, alam niya talagang marami silang sinayang na opportunities, but this is the most important one right now. It is set point for CVRS. Cabriano with the serve. Di Maculangan, Roses, and Benting, the front row players for Sandugo, San Sebastian. Oh!
Sailing out! And yun yung sinasabi mo, it's a pressure-packed service there for Cabriana. Talagang, woo! Iba yung level.
Ayoko na, uwi na ako.
Iba yung level ng intensity. Second set pa lang.
Serve for Di Maculangan is good. Yonela is right there. Chuwolim gets the back set. Angela waiting for it. Benting gets blocked by Tubino. Joust at the net, saved by Cases. Let's see kung mahabol. Hindi na inabutan ni Joy Cases. Bautista with a point.
And you know, that service error could just be the turning point of this set. Might just have shifted the momentum on the side of Sandugo, San Sebastian.
Rhea Di Maculangan with a serve, set point for her squad. Rhea's serve is good to Dionela. Oh, may nag-net. Tubino.
Violation.
Net violation on Tubino. And what a second set we have just seen. Sandogo, San Sebastian.
It could have gone either way. So, ayun, nothing to be ashamed of kung sino ang natalo sa second set as we take a look at our Shakey's shake and play. Look at this, Nene Bautista with that hit. Cases attempting to keep the ball alive.
Pumipiyo ka naan.
Ganon kalakas ang cheer ng crowd dito.
Alright, we'll be back with the third set after this short break.